You need just one ingredient to make these, and so easy even kids can make them. No special skills or tools needed to make these pretty things. You can use these easy bubble sugar garnishes to decorate your cakes and desserts. This is Suma Rauji and you're watching Cakes and More, your channel for beginners in baking. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to tap the bell for email notifications. I've recently released the trailer for my new Hindi channel for beginners in baking. Please subscribe, share and help me spread the word. We need some liquid glucose or glucose syrup. You can find this at baking supply stores and even online. It will be sweet, really thick and sticky. You can use baking parchment or a silicone baking mat. If baking in a convection microwave, use parchment paper which fits well inside the tray. If it is bigger, the paper may slide down in the oven and it will get all messy. We need something flat like this to spread the liquid glucose. I actually prefer a regular metal spoon. If you want to play with colors, you can use some gel colors. I'm using Wilton. You can find the link in the description box below. If using colors, we'll need lots of toothpicks. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees centigrade. Working with liquid glucose can be messy, so I'll spread an old newspaper here. A clean damp cloth and paper napkins will come in handy. Take some glucose syrup on the silicone mat. If necessary, you can use a warm metal spoon to dig it out of the bottle. Spread it in a thin layer. That way you'll get more bubbles. You can make a single large one or more smaller ones. If you want colored shards, stir in some color. Use just a little bit or it will taste bitter. This is perfect for non-artists like me and for beginners too, because any way you do this, it will still look good. One more color now. Use a fresh toothpick to dip in the color every time. Now bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. These are some smaller shards in different colors. I don't like to eat these, of course, but they are pretty to look at. You can see the syrup bubbling in the oven. Do not open the oven door when this is happening or the bubbles will collapse and you may not get the same effect. The bubbles will settle down after a while. After nearly 40 minutes, this is dry and hard. The baking time may vary depending on your oven. Just be careful not to burn the shards. Let it cool completely and remove it gently. These are quite delicate. Line your box with baking parchment and place the bubble shards. Place parchment paper in between or the shards will stick to each other. Make sure you store these airtight. They should stay good for at least 4 to 5 days. I'll be back soon with more videos. Please subscribe and stay tuned.